In this short video, I will show you how to reset Safari browser on iPhone. To reset your Safari browser, go to your iPhone settings app. Here, scroll down, and if you're using iOS 18, then here you'll find this apps option. And if you're using iOS 17, 16 or 15, then you have to scroll down here and just search for Safari browser. Then you have to open Safari browser. So I'm going to app section, and here the same way I'm searching for the Safari browser. So here it is, I'm opening Safari, and now here scroll down and just tap on clear history and website data, and here clear time frame, select all history. And if you have multiple profiles in your Safari browser and you want to reset all profiles, then select all profiles and just tap on clear history, and that's it. Your Safari browser will be reset. As you can see, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.